Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm swimming in shoes. Can't you tell? I want to tell you exactly how much I am going to earn on this shoe pallet from Via Trading. If you have not seen my first video, go ahead and click the link at the end of this video to capture me actually unboxing everything and getting a much better look at each individual shoe. But let's see how much I'm going to make. Okay, so the specs on this video is that it is Via Trading assorted shoe pallet. 150 pairs of shoes, all actually still in their original boxes. Some of the boxes have a little bit of denting on them, but most of them are in great shape. Paid $525 for this pallet, shipped for $110 for a total investment of $635. $4.23 per pair is what I need to make back just to break even, and that includes the shipping. So let me give you an idea of how much I think I'm going to make on each individual kind. So this is a really cute pair of, they say they're brown boots, but they're actually gray, and they have the extended calf on them, so I'm really excited about those. These will be sold on Poshmark because they're not on the Amazon platform for $20 per pair. I've got 10 pairs of boots here, so I've got a total profit of $200 on just those boots alone. Those are my best ones, so let's see if we can get to the rest of these. This one right here is a really cute pair of gladiator sandals. Those I'm gonna roughly make about $5 there on that pair, and so I only have one pair of those. And then I'm going to come here to these really cute black sandals. Those I'm gonna make about $20 a pair on those cork-heeled sandals, times 4 pairs of them. $80 is what I've got on those. And then these really cute flats with a cute strap on the front, $10 on Poshmark. Oh, by the way, these ones are actually going to go on Amazon, believe it or not. Everything else is going on Poshmark. This is going on Poshmark, $10 a pair times 12 pairs, $120. And so that's a good pair there. This pair here, I'm only going to make about $5 a piece on those. I've got 6 pair of those for a total of $30 a profit there. And then if we wander on down this way, I've got some cute little black combat boots. I believe I can make on Poshmark $10 a pair. And every price I'm giving you on Poshmark is after fees. So it's after fees and shipping and all of that. So $10 of actual earnings on Poshmark. And so I've got 3 pair of these. So that's going to be $30 there. Then I've got these really cute sandals, of which I am also wearing on my feet. It's funny that I found these because the ones I got on my feet came from a Bulq.com box, and this came from Via Trading, which is funny. $5 a pair times 6 pairs, $30. Then I've got some Champion tennis shoes. Will also go on Poshmark. $20 a pair is what I feel like I can earn after fees. I've got 6 pair. So I'm actually going to make $120, right? Yes, $120, sorry. And then these are a really cute pair of gold sandals. I'm actually really excited about these because they're a size 12. In the larger size, women's sizes are hard to find. So I believe I can make about $10 a pair on these times 4 pair, $40 on those. Then I've got a ton of these blue, they're called cognac colored Cassie boots, but I've got 3 different sizes, which I'm excited about. $10 a pair times 16 for a total of $160 on those. And then I've got these pretty plain, but pretty popular right now, black flats. And so those are going to be $5 a pair. Unfortunately, I only have size 8.5 in every single pair, which is 31 pairs. So I've got $155 that I'll make on that one particular shoe. Then we're going to wander on over here to the kids ones. I've done one child's one there, but these really cute black flats here, I believe I can make about $5 a pair on those times 13 pairs for $65 total. And then I've got these really cute little sandals here, which I believe I can make after fees on Poshmark, $5 a pair times 6 pairs, $30 for those. Then I've got these really cute shoes here, these brown little boys shoes that I believe also I can make $5 a pair. They're size 10 times 15 pairs. So I've got $75 of profit there. And then I've got these really cute kind of high top, flexi high top things, shoes here at $10 a pair. I believe I can make on those for $20 of profit. Then I've got my Batman shoes for $10 a pair of profit times 6, $60 a profit. And then these are my least expensive shoes. The original retail was only $10. So after fees on Poshmark, I think I can only make about $3 on those per pair, and I've got 11 pairs, so that's $33. So let me give you the specs on everything. So I believe with all of my pairs of shoes that I have, the 150 pairs of shoes, I paid, remember, $635. I believe I can make $1,248. Take off my $635, $613. Most of it's going to go Poshmark, which is super easy to ship because they just give you a shipping label. You don't pay any fees until you actually sell the item, so it's not going to cost me anything to leave these things listed on Poshmark. And if you want any of these shoes, check out my Poshmark store. I do have a link in the description below. But 150 pairs of shoes from Via Trading, it's going to earn me $613, and I still make my whole $635 back. So total actual sale price, $1,248 for 150 pairs of shoes from Via Trading. So hopefully it's been helpful to see the condition of the shoes from Via Trading. If you want to see the shoes up close and personal, check my first video. I talk a lot more about all the different things and go into why I bought this pallet. And if you want to contact me, go ahead and check out my hookedonpickin.com page. Check out my consultation calls. And if you love this video, hit that thumbs up like button. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Don't know how to get to Via Trading? Click the link in the description below. Via Trading was also awesome enough to create a coupon code for my viewers only. Use the coupon code HOOKED, shown in the description below.
This code will give you $50 off your very first order of $250 or more from Via Trading.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.